This how to 1 minute will show you how to stream Peacock on Discord. Open your browser and click on this three dot. Click on settings and search here hardware, and here you will get this option, use hardware acceleration when available. So you must have to disable hardware acceleration for your browser, and then open your Peacock and open your Discord and open the server where you want to stream your Peacock. And now click on any of the voice channel, click on share your screen and select the tab or where you are watching your Peacock and select the Peacock. And if you want to share your Peacock audio, then check this option and click on share. And that's how you'll be able to stream your Peacock on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.